Hey everyone, this gaming laptop, ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 GA605 2024, combines innovation, style, and power in a gorgeous package. Top-tier games like Stalker 2 and the most taxing professional work can be easily handled by this device. With a refresh rate of 240 Hz, its stunning OLED display guarantees incredibly smooth images and brilliant colors for a captivating experience. Let's test the specifics. The Zephyrus G16 is among the thinnest laptops in its class, weighing only 1.85 kilos. Platinum white and metallic gray are the possible colors for its matte-finished aluminum alloy chassis. A distinctive matrix lighting strip with 15 animated effects on the top cover adds a lively and beautiful touch. One of this laptop's best features is the display. With a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, a refresh rate of 240 Hz, it features a 16-inch OLED ROG Nebula display. This display offers amazing images for gaming, content creation, and multimedia consumption thanks to its 16:10 aspect ratio, 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy, Dolby Vision HDR, and Pantone certification. G-Sync and Adaptive Sync are two technologies that guarantee fluid, tear-free gameplay. The keyboard has 1.7mm key travel, RGB backlighting, and a sturdy construction that can sustain 20 million keystrokes. The input experience is luxurious and comfortable when combined with a glass power button and a sizable smooth touchpad. 4 speakers and Dolby Atmos technology power the audio system, which produces rich, engrossing sound. Another advantage of the Zephyrus G16 is its connectivity. It has a combination audio jack, HDMI 2.1, USB Type-A, USB Type-C with compatibility for DisplayPort and power delivery, and an SD Express card reader. Its adaptability is further increased by wireless technologies like Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 7. There are 2 different configurations of the laptop available. Ryzen 9 AIHX370 CPU and RTX 4060 GPU are included in the base model. With its 1TB SSD and 16 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM, Zephyrus G16's performance in contemporary games during testing was impressive. For example, with GPU operating at 99% usage, Red Dead Redemption 2 on high settings averaged 73 frames per second. The laptop demonstrated its capacity to run graphically demanding games by achieving 70 frames per second on high settings in Far Cry 6 and 80 frames per second on ultra settings in Metro Exodus. With a sleek, sturdy design that exudes luxury, the build quality is superb. Vivid images on OLED display enhance creative and gaming activities, while competitive gamers can be assured of fluid movements thanks to the 240 Hz refresh rate. Ryzen 9 processor and RTX graphics work together to provide excellent performance for both professional and gaming applications. To sum up, ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 GA605 2024 is a powerful gaming device that strikes the ideal mix between performance, style, and cutting-edge capabilities. Its impressive display, sturdy construction, and state-of-the-art hardware make it a flexible option for both professionals and gamers. This laptop is likely to impress whether you're playing the newest games or taking on demanding jobs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.